one of the most annoying things that kids can do is grind their teeth. During the day, at night, it's a super common complaint. The first thing your dentist is going to do is make sure that there's not much damage on the actual teeth. And believe it or not, that sound of broken glass grinding across each other typically doesn't cause that terrible of damage on teeth. Definitely want to evaluate it. The other thing that the dentist is going to want to evaluate is the muscles that help us eat. We want to make sure that there's not any crazy tension, and the joint that's up there where your lower jaw sits into the base of your skull, we want to make sure that that joint is doing well. With grinding, we don't always know what causes it. It has affiliations with multiple things. One is sometimes that they have issues with breathing at nighttime. And so by moving our jaw forward, we can open up our airway a little bit. So that's something to talk to your dentist about, potentially your pediatrician, and they would do the appropriate referrals from there. Another thing is some people are just higher stress. That type A personality is known to clench and to grind those teeth. There's not a lot we can do with that. The big thing is if you hear that grinding, know that there's probably not much intervention that we are going to do at this time. I've noticed that grinding tends to get increased whenever kids are teething or there's some growth patterns going on with the mouth. All in all, grinding is very, very common in children. Definitely talk about it with your dentist so they can evaluate that there's no damage being done to the teeth. And then we can guide you from there. I'm sorry, that noise is terrible. I know it.